I'm really excited that this is the first national conference in Wales about arts and health. I think it's a fantastic achievement.
It's been so lovely to be back in a space with everybody together. Those really organic connections to come about where you, by happenstance, find yourself sat next to somebody at a workshop table and a conversation comes about and you find points of connection.
An amazing opportunity to get together with everybody in arts, health and wellbeing in Wales. So really grateful to everybody who set it up. We first went up into the pink room, and the pink room is where they have main panel discussions. Then after that we had opportunities to come down into the seminar spaces where there's been a mixture of conversational cafes and then also workshop rooms as well, which is a little bit more hands-on, on your feet kind of practice.
We've sung with a choir, which is absolutely amazing, which really broke the day up and just felt like we were all coming together.
I'm studying creative and therapeutic arts at USW. We're doing 2 large weavings, all made out of natural materials that we've either gathered, found, natural colours, lots of things that we're very drawn to. It's kind of just a space for people to come out to. People can join in if they want to, just watch. It started off as nothing and now it's got quite a lot bigger and busier. We're just really enjoying it and it's very therapeutic to do.
Arts and health is really important in our work because sort of social and community factors such as culture and language and anything that brings people together is really good for health and well-being. And people having the chance to express themselves through the arts is really good for their mental well-being.
So that's just really sparked some quite exciting conversations and thoughts for me to think about and reflect on and take back.
And it's been really good to hear about so many exciting and inspiring projects across Wales, but also that we've now got a really good infrastructure around the work in Wales to support it.
There's definitely some follow-up conversations to have, and I think there's an energy for more and more of these opportunities to connect.
It's really felt like a really positive conference this, and people sharing their different ideas and best practice and stuff, and hearing about the amazing work that's going on all around Wales. It fills me with hope, that there's this stuff going on,